Hello, American Airline. How are you? Oh, good for you, good for you. Oh, me, no, 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 no. Very bad, very bad, very bad, very bad. Oh, snow, 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 snow. Want to kill me here in Boston. Yes. I'm calling to see if you have any place, anything you have, I take. Yes. I'm going home. Yes, my country, Haiti. Yes. Want to make reservation, please. For today, for today. Yes, I'm going. I can't. Too much for me. If you have place, I'm going now. Yes. No place? Nothing? Oh, no, no. Look inside computer. Look for me. Look for me. You find place. Because country crazy. Oh, too much for me. Oh, me no crazy. Me, I didn't. No, no, no. I don't steal in my country. I don't do bad thing in my country. I'm going home. Yes. Snow falling. Yes. And outside, in my yard, oh, big mountain snow. My car, big mountain snow. Yes. Everything closed. Yes. Church closed. People don't go to church. Oh, no. Train closed. Everything closed. iPad said country crazy. Television said country crazy. Everything said country crazy. Me no crazy. I'm done staying. Please, if you have place in the plane, I'm going with you. Check for me. No place, nothing. Listen. I sit down on suitcase, or I sit down on floor. No problem. Yes. Check for me. How much ticket? 14? What? $1,400. Oh, Jesus. No, too much. I don't buy the plane. I don't want to buy the plane. I just want to pay for ticket to go. 1,400, no good, too much. Oh, no. Oh, you remember me? Yes, I said Black Friday, but Black Friday too far. If I wait for Black Friday, I'm dead. I'm dead. Too much snow and cold, and now house shaking, wind, too much. I'm going home, please. Do you give for 350? Yes, 350. Only one place. Yes, 350. No problem. I come with kids and kids sit on me. I give you 350. If you give for 350, I'm coming now. Please. Oh, they hung up on me. Oh my gosh. Bon ticket mwen. Bon passeport blanc. Thank you. Ma prive. Bon ti chale nan peyi mwen. Jam di mse kon sa peyi ate, mes ami. Kadon doule.